Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video I'll be discussing this Mercedes G-Wagon that I completed in 2022. In the next video there will be another vehicle that I created in 2022, and subsequent videos will be of other projects that I've been working on during the year. Thank you. So this is the Mercedes G-Wagon that I created in Blender in 2022. If we go to this view, just to show you the detail. So the detail, let's get rid of the snow. Right, so the detail that I've done on this, as you can see in the outliner, the hood, the fixed frame, the fenders, the front shell, front doors. So I've done all the bits and pieces of the outside of the car, also a detailed analysis of the chassis. So if we go back to this view, or this view, so it took I mean, I didn't start it last year, I started it the year before, but this is the car, and as you can see, all the details I've got, even creating my own number plates, and if you look under the car, it's a fairly detailed chassis. The wheels are detailed. Yeah, quite pleased with this one. So this is the first car that I completed during 2022. The next car, which I'll feature in the next video, is a Nash Healey from the 1950s, 1952. But this is the first one, Mercedes G-Wagon. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye.